How to fix Outlook from working offline on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook from working offline on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps or applications. Click on it and now click apps again, and here type Outlook, click on it and now click data usage, and here make sure all of those is enabled, and then go back, click force stop, go to storage, clear data. After that you will need to log in again, but your problem must be fixed. And don't forget like and subscribe, and I hope that can fix your problem. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.